Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the second last video, the video was terminated and some of the portion of the question was left, and now I'm going to explain that. So in the previous question, that was monopoly question, and I have did it up to here. So now we know that we had MC is equal to 40Q and MR is equal to that we have found, which is 400 minus 10Q, and we know that MC is equal to MR. So the value of MC, is 40Q. We have written down the 40Q here, and the value of MR, which is equal to 400 minus 10Q, and I have placed it here. So now we need to find Q. So we should shift the negative Q to the other side. So we will have 40 minus 10Q and is equal to 400. So when we add 40 plus 10Q, we will get 50Q. 50Q minus is equal to 400Q. So we need only Q, dividing 50 on both sides. So we will this will cancel with each other. Only Q is remaining, and 400 divided by 50, we will get 8. So the quantity is 8. So in the question, they also need to find the quantity. So another question of the past paper, one question that I want to do it. So some of the students solve the question. They use directly profit, and we should use the break-even point formula, so it will be better. So we know that the quantity at break-even is equal to fixed cost divided by price minus average variable cost. So from the question, we should find these things: price and average variable cost, and also fixed cost. So in the total cost and total revenue, we have 50Q, and total cost we have 10,000 plus 30Q. So we know that total revenue is equal to quantity and multiply price. So this is the value of price, because this is total revenue. So this is the value of price, and this is total cost, and total cost we have fixed cost. Those which don't have any variable, that we will consider as a fixed cost. So this is our fixed cost. And here in variable cost, we have two things. One is average variable cost, and this is quantity. When average variable cost multiply quantity, we will get the total variable cost. So from the total variable cost, we need to extract the average variable cost. Now put these value in the formula. So the quantity at break even point is equal to fixed cost. So the fixed cost is 10,000 divided by price. So the price is 50 minus average variable cost. So the average variable cost is 30 is equal to 10,000 divided by 30 minus 50, we will get 20. So from 20, when we divide this divided by this, so we will get I think 5,000. This will cancel with each other, so we will get 500. Yes, so this is our break-even point. So this amount of product, this amount of unit we will sell to achieve the break-even point. So in the next part, they say that the determine the output rate necessary to earn profit of 20,000. So in this we should find the profit of 20,000 is equal to fixed cost plus profit we should mention divided by 50 minus 30 is equal to fixed cost we have 10,000 plus variable cost which is 20,000. Sorry, the profit is 20,000 and the 50 minus 30 you will get we have 30,000 divided by 20. So cancel with 10 with 10 we will have 3,000. So 3,000 divided by 2 we will get 1,500 units. If we sell 1,500 units we will get 20,000 profit. So for the graphs we have some graphs also. We have super normal profit and we have normal profit, we have subnormal profit, so these all are available in short run, but in long run we have only normal profit. So the normal profit is only in long run. So we also have shutdown here. So I want to graph for all of these. So this is the graph, and for a competitive market we have same price, this is price, and this is also called MR or AR, and the next is we have a curve. So the curve is about MC, and the point we have 2 points here. We have equilibrium point, so this point we do not mention. The point which cut the MR from below we will take that point. So here this is our point where we can analyze. So in the super normal profit, so the average cost should be less than the MR. So let's say this is the line of average cost. So this is average cost. So here the difference we have seen between marginal revenue and average cost, this is our profit actually. So this is our profit. This is super normal profit. This is for one. For normal profit, which is also in short run and also in long run, so we have a graph. This is price, so it is also MR, and here we have MC. Again we have 2 points. We consider this point is a equilibrium, so here we can interpret. So in normal profit we know that the profit is equal to 0, and when the profit is equal to 0, so the average cost will cut the point where MC is equal to MR. So this is average cost. So this is normal profit. So these graphs are a bit necessary according to exam. So now we have two other graphs. One is subnormal profit and one is shutdown. So let's draw it. So this is subnormal profit. Now we have another graph. So the price is equal to MR, and here we have a graph. This is MC and this is MR, and here we have, so we have, this is average variable cost, so it is above the equilibrium point. So this is average cost. So in this condition the marginal revenue is less but average cost is higher. So in this point we have some loss also. So this is subnormal profit. In shutdown the graph is same as above. This is MR, this is MC, but this is the pass through the point like normal profit, but here we will write AVC. In the other graphs we were consider average cost. So here average variable cost when passed through this point, so this is shut down. So these graphs are very necessary for the perspective of exam. So this is also the last topic. So enjoy the exam. Have a great time. Bye for now.